Shooting the installation video for 12126 Wooden Mill Lane in Santa Fe. I'm on the right hand side of the home at their meter and disconnect. It is 125 amp service. We have room to the left to place the transfer switch, or we can replace the disconnect. And then from here we will trench our electrical run across over to the placement of the generator. The flags are marking the placement of the pad. The right side of the pad is going to begin 30 inches off the front fence, and the back of the pad will begin 12 inches off the side fence. We'll be installing a 2018 air-cooled Kohler. This will be a managed load transfer. The gas is right outside the gate. The gas pressure will have to be elevated through center point. And then from here we can trench our gas run over to the generator. The AC is located on the opposite side of the home. So we will manage the 3.5 ton AC with a low volt run up into the air handler.